You have connected from two device. हाँ, चलो we'll continue.
Yes, sorry, I have been late.
हाँ, no problem. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो. Now we have again two signs, like तीन signs हैं, and we have converted into two signs. Now the two signs are minus into minus. So negative into negative is
Positive.
so your calculation must be in positive. Okay, so 7 plus 2 will result into
5.
5. 7 plus 2 will result into
9.
9. Okay, मुझे 5 सुनाई दिया. So it is going to result into 9. Now talking about the sign, whenever you like start checking for the sign, just go to the questions back. Now the sign of a greater number is the sign of the greater
Minus.
minus.
Negative.
So your answer will also have a negative sign, that is minus sign. So the answer for this question becomes minus.
Minus 9.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear, beta? Okay. Chalo, we'll continue. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me rub this thing तो हमारे पास वापस स्पेस बन जाएगा. चलिए. Now moving to the next question. Now again we have three signs over here. तो हम पहले बीच वाले दोनों साइन को करेंगे, कैलकुलेशन करेंगे उनका. So again instead of bracket we are going to multiply. So minus into plus will become
Negative sign.
negative sign. So my question will become plus 8, that is 8 minus 3. You think इसमें और हमें calculations की जरूरत है? 8 minus 3 would be 8 minus 3
5.
5. And sign of the greater number. Now which is a greater number?
8.
So the sign would be
Positive.
positive. So your answer becomes positive
5.
5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let us check the last one. Again, there is three signs. Again, a complicated one. So minus into minus. We are going to start with the middle signs. Minus into minus,
Positive sign.
positive sign. So it will become plus 8 plus 3.
8 plus 3.
So 8 plus 3 is
11.
11.
11.
Positive or negative 11?
Positive 11.
It is going to be positive.
Positive 11.
Is it clear?
Yes.
समझा ना इतना?
Yes.
Okay. Next one is related to multiplication of integers, which we just completed. Like before this book हमने जो PPT से किया था, तो इसके questions देख लेते खाली फटाफट. Okay, there is a table which is given over here. They have solved few for you people and आप लोगों को बाकी solve करने के लिए दिया है. Check कर लेते इन्होंने सही किया है कि नहीं. Now they have again हमें पता है we multiply the signs first and then we multiply the number. So minus into minus. Minus
Positive sign.
positive sign. And 5 3s are 15. So this answer is right or wrong?
It's right.
Very good. 5 2s are, अगर हम numbers उल्टा करते हैं, अब numbers को पहले multiply करते हैं. So 5 2s are
10.
Sign, is it right? Minus into minus?
Positive sign.
But they haven't like written those positive sign or plus sign, ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Why so?
Because we never write, we don't write positive sign, it is okay.
Can. हाँ, you can, but if you don't write, it is fine. Okay, you can. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि लिखना ही नहीं है. You can write it, and if you don't write it, then also it is fine. Okay, next, is it right? फटाफट check कर लो ये वाला.
Yeah, it is right.
Okay, after that they are multiplying it with 0. So is it right?
Yes.
साइन नहीं दिया लेकिन 0 का. if -5 है तो 0 का साइन होना चाहिए ना.
But zero doesn't contain a negative sign or positive sign.
Positive sign because it is neutral. Very good, very good, Lakshita. Now -5 into 1 is going to be
-5.
right.
Yes.
Next one is 5 2s are 10 and minus, यहाँ पे कोई sign नहीं है तो it is going to be
Positive sign.
okay, it is going to be positive sign. So minus into plus is going to be
Negative sign.
negative sign. So answer is right, minus
Yes.
10. Similarly, you can check the remaining two which they have solved, that is -15 and -20, right?
Yes.
Okay. चलो अब हमने जो सॉल्व करने दिया है वो हम करते हैं. Now 6 3s are 6 into 3 is
18.
okay. So 18 is going to be a part of the answer. Talking about the sign, minus into minus.
Positive sign, but we can't. If we don't write positive sign, it is okay.
Okay. And if I wish to write, I can even write it. Okay. Coming to the next one, 6 2. 6 into 2.
12. Positive 12.
So is it important to write the sign?
No, if we don't write it is
Okay. Okay. 6 ones are
6.
and minus into minus is positive, so I don't have to write that sign. 6 into 0 minus 6 into 0.
0 answer will be.
Okay.
Product will be 0.
What would be the next answer? अच्छा, can you write from the screen, like मेरे screen पे आप लिख सकते हो. I guess Zoom पे ऐसा होता है. I'm not sure though. Is it possible?
No, I can't.
Do you have that option on the screen? नहीं है ऐसा कुछ?
No, I can't write.
Okay, no problem. अच्छा हो जाता वरना. एक सेकेंड ना. The next answer would be
-6.
minus 6.
6.
Next one.
-12.
Okay. Remaining, I guess you can solve yourself. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं difficult. You can ना?
Yes.
पक्का?
Yeah.
Can I proceed further then?
Yes.
So next lecture में make sure you show me कि you have written it, or you can even share those photos. Just complete the table, draw a table, complete it and share a photo of it, so that I can check अगर कुछ गलत हुआ तो. ठीक है? अच्छा.
We can write in the book also, no?
You can write it in the book, but make sure you use pencil. Don't use pen in your textbook, on your textbook. Okay? Chalo. They have written few statements. Let us check is it right or wrong. The first statement says the product of two positive integer is a positive integer. Is it right? Achha,
Yes.
what are integers? But I forgot. What are integers?
Integers are the numbers which have positive and negative and 0 too.
Okay, it includes all the three things: positive, negative, and 0. Very good. So when you multiply, okay, they have given the product. Instead of product, the term multiply can also be used. We know this. Product and multiply is one and the same thing. We know this right now. So the product of two positive integers, two positive numbers, it is going to be positive or negative?
Positive.
तो ये वाला स्टेटमेंट को हमने अप्रूव कर दिया. इट इज राइट, है ना? Coming to the next one, the product of one positive and one negative. They say one positive and one negative integer. The result or the product would be
Negative integer.
right?
Yes.
Can I prove it? Okay, Lakshita, I have approved the statement. The next one, the product of two negative integers, minus into minus, would result into
Positive integer.
Okay, चलो हमने इसको भी पास कर दिया. That means Maharashtra government prints the book correctly, है ना? अच्छा. Now they have given this इन द टेबुलर फॉर्म, जैसे हमने टेबल बनाया था उसके जैसा कुछ दिया है. So positive number into positive number is positive number. Positive into negative is negative. Negative into positive is again negative. And negative gives you the positive numbers. मतलब ये वही चीज है जो हमने उस टेबल में किया था. It shows two common numbers, sorry, two similar signs will give you the positive product and two different sign will give you the negative product. सही बोला मैंने? Two same sign,
Yes.
two same sign will give you the positive result, right?
Yes.
And two different sign will give you the positive result, right?
No.
हाँ. Two.
Different signs will give me negative number.
Very good. Okay, so just listen carefully whether I'm speaking right or wrong. Okay, chalo. Coming to the exercise part. Now they have given you the exercise, that is your practice set number 8. Maximum answers हमने कर लिया है. It must be written in your book. हमने जो किया था quite similar है. इसका आंसर क्या आता है? -5 into -7. आराम से सोच के बताओ. Don't ask your mother about the multiplication. You can multiply yourself.
Plus 25.
7 5s are 7 into 5 is
20, 35. 35.
So your answer is going to be plus 35.
35.
Very good. The next answer is going to be
Minus 54.
very smart. It is going to be -54. Next one.
Minus 36.
Very good. It is going to be -36. Search for the next answer.
Minus 56.
Very good, Lakshita. It is -56.
56.
Very good. Can you tell me the next answer?
Plus 124.
Very good. It is going to be 124. Can you help me with the next answer?
Minus 84.
Plus 84, or you can even write it as 84. Very good. Next one.
Plus 441.
441.
441.
Okay, you have done this multiplication before, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, 15 into 7 is? (15 into 7).
Minus 105.
15 into 7.
Minus 105.
-105. I'm not
Fine.
okay. So very good. So this was about multiplication of integers. Is it clear? Do you have any doubt regarding the multiplication of integers now?
So
You understood it clearly?
Yes.
पक्का पक्का? Okay. Acha. So we'll continue with the division part in the next lecture. Before that, like before we end this lecture, can you tell me what are your school timings?
7:30 to 12 o'clock.
7:30 to 12 o'clock. And what is the convenient time for you, like for the lectures? This lectures. Is it fine if we take it in like afternoon or like 2, 3 o'clock? ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah. Yeah, it is fine.
So you are free after 12:30 or 1 o'clock. अगर हम lunch भी पकड़े तो you are free after 2 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
So we'll inform you about the lectures कि कौन सा lecture कब होगा. Same group में आपको lectures पता चल जाएंगे. And talking about your portion, make sure you just WhatsApp it on the group. Write the name of the school, your name, and the portion for your first semester. Okay? It is like you're going to send it for maths and science both.
Okay.
Okay? And your science teacher, I can't hear you better. Mute किया हुआ है आपने. Were you saying something?
No, I'm not saying something.
Okay. So you'll get your like lecture schedule by tomorrow. So वहाँ पे आप maths and science दोनों का अपना portion बता देना and we'll arrange lectures accordingly. ठीक है? And I'll just have a word with the management team that you are free after like 2 o'clock. तो हम उसके according आपका lectures arrange कर लेंगे. Okay? So you understood this lecture ना?
Yes.
चलो, we'll continue in the next lecture. Bye bye.